Assalamualaikum. This is Humayet Asif. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am showing an Arduino based smart gardening system with a soil moisture sensor and water pump project. Allows you to automate the process of watering your plants based on their moisture levels, ensuring that they receive the optimal amount of water without wasting any. To build this system, you will need an Arduino board, a soil moisture sensor, a water pump, a relay module, and a power supply. You will also need to connect the system to a water source and your plants. The first step is to connect the soil moisture sensor to the Arduino board and calibrate it for your specific plants. Next, connect the water pump to the relay module and the relay module to the Arduino board. Finally, connect the power supply to the Arduino board. Once the hardware is set up, you will need to write some code to control the water pump based on the moisture levels detected by the soil moisture sensor. You can use the Arduino IDE to write the code and upload it to the Arduino board. The code will read the moisture level of the soil using the sensor, and if the moisture level is below a certain threshold, it will activate the water pump to water the plants. You can also set a timer or schedule to water the plants at specific intervals or times of the day. With this system in place, you can enjoy smart gardening experiences that ensures your plants are healthy and hydrated. You can also monitor the moisture levels of your plants remotely using a smartphone app or a web-based dashboard. Overall, this project is a great way to combine your love for gardening with your interest in technology. Happy gardening!